streaming. I'm streaming later than usual. Oh well. Again, the mic was up. Trying to get the freaking link. Oh, come on. And I don't know. Ah, finally. So here's the link for my stream. Get everyone. Yeah. All right. So let's get to it, right? Why is it building like this? Okay, whatever. Yeah. Not this one. I need the other one. It's this. Okay. Do I have differences? Oh, yeah, I do. That's fine. So let's go back to SpyDTM source v. I go to VM stack, or that's done. Did I do all of this or no? Let's go to VM thread though. So script library, okay. Yeah, there's a pointer here. A VM executable. Okay. Ah, okay. Strings referenced by these code block. Chunk flavor. So what is a chunk flavor though? Chunk file, okay. I got the music so loud. Okay. Alright. I think it's okay to have those things there. So I already matched some of these from what I can see. So let's go to VM thread, right? Thread CPP. Yeah, let's ignore the comments for now. So I was doing script object instance. Maybe I can do that though. Because if I reached it, naturally, maybe I should spend a little more time on it, right? So, yeah, this one. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff to do from what I can see. So, let's get to it, right? Thread exists, run single thread. So, find function by address. Oh, clear callback references. Okay. Kill thread, add thread. Okay, let's look at these functions. Okay, here's the script object instance, and thread exists. WebDOM AI. Okay. Is it? Okay. Maybe this guy. Yeah, script GCUI. Yeah, definitely this guy. So script object instance, thread is there's a VM thread over there. Righty, forward value 3. Okay, let's take a look at these two guys, right? So thread exists. We need to look at here. Yeah. Huh. That's interesting. I guess these are 2-in-1, right? So because they have thread exists, then there's the thread ID, right? But what's up with this number though? Huh. So and then the ID must be equal? That's kind of crazy, no? Clear callback references. Okay. I guess this is one of the easiest ones to do. So add thread, m executable. Okay. It's this guy. Now let's do this add thread, right? This guy over here. Okay. Oh, that's interesting. And it looks fine. Yeah. Doesn't know. It is 256. Okay. And it's in script object up here. That's wrong because the script side seems to have gone up to yeah, it is in the proper place. Game unpause. Oh, maybe this guy. This guy. Fuck. Maybe I can look into the activate. Deactivate. Yeah, right here. Please. Yeah, right there. Da, da, da. Find funk. And then add thread. Which add thread is this though? This is 0. Serious? Add thread. Bro. Why is Ida being like this? Um, which one is this? Oh, a thread, an integer. What the fuck? Takes so script object instance. What is that third thing though? Oh, script object. Ah, no, okay. Oh, okay. It's a script object instance, and an integer. Okay. Now it makes more sense. Ah, okay, okay, okay. Script object. It's the wrong thread. Yeah. Yeah. Exactly. Okay. It's the wrong one. Okay. Okay, I guess is the one that I want. Come on. Not good, not good. Hmm. Yeah. Okay. So this just takes a VM executable. Okay. That's fine, I guess. Okay. Push back, yeah. It does all of that weird shit. And then, yeah, okay. Yeah, it basically checks whether it needs to allocate and whatever. Okay. That is acceptable. Fuck. Okay. This guy. Let me just put this here, right? What VM stack size unknown? Oh yeah, I forgot to save. Missing semicolon. Oh yeah, true. Okay. Mm. Yeah, I need to basically replace all of these in one full swoop. Because red, empty, empty, empty. Okay. Yeah, there's the thing. Okay. Um. Yeah, that's fine. A2. Yeah. what do I need here? Okay, this is wrong. This should be 180, right? It should be 180. So, time to do this guy. Okay. So, okay. So git diff, just to be sure. Yeah, that. What? Git diff once again. Yeah, that's fine. I just exported a bunch of stuff. The script object instance add thread const VM executable pointer. Good. Now what's the next one? Const char parameters. So I guess this is the next one. So this takes script object instance. I don't know if I have VM executable anywhere. No, but I don't think it's. And then, oh, it's pushing stuff. Okay. Let me move the source code to another screen. Parms, yeah. Parms error get name. Yeah, this jump error get name. Yeah, that's fine. I have no idea what the hell is the get name. That's fine. So parms. Alrighty-o. It looks fine. To be honest, yeah. Okay. Okay, much better. What else is missing here? Maybe I should do inline here. Just to be super duper extra sure about that. I saw this tool today called Mouseless, which is basically a way to interact with the screen with just using the keyboard. It subdivides the screen into basically chunks that you can access with the keyboard. And that looked so sweet. I want to try it, but at the same time I'm a little baby to even try that shit. Stack Overflow spawning. Yeah. Dude. And yeah, I know it's cross-platform, so yeah, I can try it. Yeah, not yet, not yet. Yeah, yeah, that looks really good. So that this is basically matching, so just take that bottom one. So now that's the exact. Oh, there it's different. Yeah. Okay. Okay. That looks cool. So wait. But if the code is matching, right, then I can add more validation. What is going on? Alrighty. So add thread this guy. I can make it. Okay, matching. On sharp arms. Good. Uh, so this is not relevant. Okay. So B7 okay. Const the VIPC over here. I can definitely add validation for it. So where why did it go to the top? I don't know. So there it is. So it goes to 1C. What I can see. No validation. Wow, that's crazy. Crazy. So VM executable kind of exists, but not really. So let's materialize it. VM executable CPP. Okay, so I can definitely do include VM executable. Okay, good. So I need to think a little about this, right? So Let me look at the STL stuff that we have, right? What is the name of the file that it was? It was, yeah, it's a script object instance, yeah. So, not there. I don't know, I guess everything is fine. Okay. So, we can already do my... Fuck, I forgot. God, it's so late. My assertions. So validate VM executable PC. Wait, it's VM thread, not. Oh, Scheiße. 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 Bro. Yeah. Because it's so late that I. VM thread, CPP. Oh, cool. So VM thread. Okay. Dope, dope, dope. So PC. So there it is. So PC it's 1C. We can just do this. PC 1C. And I can use the validator for this. The validator I basically do Tobey validator release Tobey DLL. Perfect. So script object TPP. So do PC equals, and what is this exe get start? What's X? Executable. Okay, what the fuck is executable get start? Buffer. Alrighty. So what is fucking buffer? Buffer. Alrighty. So buffer. It's 28. Perfect. So validate VM executable. I don't know how this got. Oh, I know how it got in line. It's so short. Oh, shh. Oh, good. So I had a typo there. So DLL main. I just do this. I guess it will have a stroke, right? Executable. Yeah, exactly. It doesn't know. Oh, wait. It actually knows the function. Maybe I can stop using that my validations thing. So what I forgot to do, add files to folder, is add VM executable. So perfect. So save workspace and let's just export the makefile, because I'll definitely forget to do that. Yeah, it just knows it. Perfect. So I know that by doing this, I don't know why the validator always takes a lot more time when it fails, but it's good, kind of, I guess. So get start. So let's properly look at the differences. Yeah, okay. I can do this. Validation. Yeah. VM thread PC and VM execute all buffer. Alrighty. That makes sense. Feels good to do this. So script callback add thread. Okay, what about this one? So this parameter is kind of it's just passing the other parameter. Okay. How was this implemented in Kelly Slater's? That's what I care about. So, add thread. UVM. They actually looks like they did everything by hand. Oh no, they just copied the previous one. Okay. Yeah. Well, they get full name too. Okay. Let's do this thing then. So there you go. What the heck? Yeah, this looks really good. Let's just F7 this bitch and then okay. Int okay. So I can add one extra validation, which is that thing, the get full name. Get full name. So this is offset 28. No freaking heck. Fuck. Oh yeah, okay. There are multiple things that I can tackle at once. V6 is A3. And yeah. Is an integer, so this is 20. So that parms stack size, right? Okay. Parms stack size should be 20. Yeah. And this is 12. That's C, right? That's the full name. So full name at C. Okay, let's see how does this go. What? Oh my god, Windows Explorer just fucking crashed. I don't know why. But that's whatever, it's Windows Explorer. You should not even be mad that it crashed because it's not meant to work in the first place. Yeah. You know, people that think that software is meant to work, they are wrong. Because Microsoft definitely knows best. That software is best when, you know, string X reference. Okay. So 20. So what is buffer? Oh, unsigned short buffer. Great. And yep. So V6, A3. This looks good. Okay, much better. This is a VM thread. Alrighty, so how does VM thread supposed to look? So yeah, let's just take some of these things. And kind of yeah, PC, it's 1C. So this guy is called PC. Local region is 34. Local region, and this is camera priority. Good. Okay, now it looks better. But yeah, that's it. So let's take this function over here. And I guess we're good in this regard. Add thread. Clear callback references. Okay. So might be that one, I guess. No. It is inline script callback, definitely not. Yeah, it's this one. Okay, let me. Okay, yeah, this should be void. So it's just comparing pointers, so all good. Yeah, just do this. Clear callback. And suspend. For bug purposes, fixes. It should be after unsuspend, actually. Should be after this guy. So here, actually, let's do this way. And remove my callback. It looks fine. Script object. Clear callback references. Export. No, it's wrong. Okay, this is good to know that it's wrong because now I have something to fix. So my callback T. So what the fuck is T? It's a VM thread. So my callback. So okay, the VM thread and VM thread offset, which is gap 20, 30. Wait, what? It's on 30. So on 30, my callback. The type doesn't really matter in this case. Beautiful. So do. So 30. I need to learn why it's taking that long. Okay, to see. So I know what's the problem. I can just move this here. And now it should work. Yes. That's good to know. So my callback now it's in the proper place. And with callback in the proper place, then this offset is now matching. So yeah, that's cool to know. So this guy, it becomes a push red to do when more of this is done. Okay. To the script object, clear like reference, and done. Does this build though? It does. So okay, matching. Git commit. Okay, good. So let's keep working on this. Oh, oh yeah, my bad. So you're the proper name for this function. This guy. This looks like a dump threads. Yeah. So this I can add this to hosts fprintf thread profiling. So FII. So thread profiling is on. That's interesting to know. So yeah, thread profiling is indeed on. Okay. Now let's do the dump threads. I guess it's a fun one to do. Oh yeah, that's why we're okay. I understand it. Dump. Done. I need to look for host fprintf. Do I need to implement this? Or can I just do a sneaky define, right? They don't seem to be defined in header files. Okay, it's right there. Host f open. Okay. Host f open. Where did I see that? So define host fprintf as fprintf. I'm not going to spend a lot of time working on this, right? And it's yeah, okay, it just works. And I guess that's what I really care about, whether it works or not. Yeah. What? Did I forget to build again? No, I didn't. What's the problem? Dump threads. Oh yeah, I forgot to export it. Fuck. My bad, my bad. So dump. Yeah, good. So what are these two fields called? So they are called prof runtime, prof op count. Okay. Prof runtime. of op count. So prof runtime is a float. Thread, okay. Nice. Okay, that's a different dump threads. That's the other one. Okay, okay. Interesting. This guy, before. Yeah. Dump threads. Great stuff. That's beautiful. So script object instance threads. It's cool to be able to do this. So let's continue, right? So Toby, this guy. Aleo. So it looks like a wait. Maybe it's not what I'm saying. Kill threads. What is this though? Right. What is this? Web DOM destroy. Okay. Thread exists. This is the thread exists. Right. Yeah, okay, this looks cool. You so so 7DE. Oh, it's this guy. Okay, but isn't there more stuff? Because I can just do this. I do this. Ah, these functions. Okay, these are other variations of thread exists. Right? There's this guy. There's this guy, and there's this guy. They're all valid versions. So VM thread. Okay, that's really cool. Okay, at least I'll have a little more to work with. And even though if they don't seem to be used, at least I can at least practice more stuff. Okay. So numero uno. It's this guy. You. So let's get all the thread exists code around here. Okay. Console enable. Sure. So thread exists. I already have any code for them. Thread exists. I don't, so yeah. Yoink. just dump it here. And sure. Okay. Okay. Whatever. I was trying to do some Vim commands, but they are not working as expected, so whatever. Yeah, if they are just this, then I can do all three in order. Not in order, all in tandem. I guess it will be just run it. Okay, let me drink some water. Okay. String, not string, thread exists. Okay. Fuck pseudocode. I'll just work with this. So let's go down here, right? This is the first one. Okay. Actually, I can. Alrighty. So the name is this one. Bam. Can actually patch this one just fine without a problem. Huh. Let's keep going, right? Yeah, these are tiny functions. So, yeah. Okay, at least I know that my clipboard is not corrupted. And then it's the last one, this guy. The one that seems to actually be used. Let's just quickly copy this and validate it. So just need to start the X window. And I really hope the new beta of the X window comes soon, because it's one of the coolest pieces of tech of all time. I gotta be honest. Clear callback. Yeah, dump thread. Just comparing pointers. Yeah. Okay, let's skip this. I'm trying to trigger some of these functions. Yeah. Oh, I just realized something. I need to do a quick git revise. Okay. I can close this. That's fine. Crazy. How did I forget the most important part, right? Wait, why did the music stop though? Oh, I put it on loop and Library Wolf didn't like it. Okay. Okay. And yeah, so what I can do is with an empty message. That's interesting. So I can do git rebase minus I had 2 squash. Done. Great. So what comes next? If there's any next though. If I go here, thread exists. There's the kill thread, which seems a little more convoluted, but instance run. There's still a lot. Oh, int. There's a kill thread, the run single thread. But I need to focus on these guys with instance. I don't want to do the rest today. As threads. Okay, this looks kind of easy to be honest. But yeah. Okay, so run or run single thread. Which one do I do? Let's do run single thread, right? This is kind of weird, so right here. This, then VM thread and bool. VM thread. Looks good. What is the code doing, right? So this is called ignore suspended. Ignore suspended. If ignore suspended or it's not suspended, bool. And then it does run VM thread run. Yikes. Yikes. Okay, this is a big one. And in order to have this properly working, I need to call into the ancient spirits here, right? So I need to do this guy over here. Yeah. So oh great. Type def bool VM thread run pointer. Let's call. Yeah. This looks cool. VM thread run. Yeah. Return is 0. Actually, I don't need anything else, right? Okay, now that code looks a little better. Remove from local region. Erase. Yeah. You know, if I call into VM thread run, it should, you know, be cool and all. So it's above suspend this. So yeah, I'll need to fix this. Okay, this is stopped out. That's cool. So let's work on this guy, right? Run single threaded, it's above suspend. Expand. And suspend. And this looks good. Just need to script object run single export. Looks fine. Just run the validator on too many actual parameters. But oh, I know what it is. So this is my bad, right? So I need to pass a VM thread pointer, and then it will work. Okay, this is what I expected. Yeah, this looks good. Time for to run the validator. Yeah. What did I start? What the heck? Why is this even possible? My God. Oh wait, deactivation movie. Oh, it's the wrong IDV. Okay. Jesus Christ. Okay. Perfect. Okay, that's exactly what I wanted to see. What the fuck is this? Hey yo. What the fuck are? Okay. Ah. Oh, it's calling free. Mm-hmm. Yeah, this looks fine-ish. Yo, what the fuck? Okay. Move from. No. Remove from local character. Okay. That's funny. What else do I? So this one might be doable for other reasons, right? So this one might be okay, but what do I need to do? So I need to cross-check the remove from local region. Local region remove. Yeah. Let's take a look at that then. But what can I do? Okay, I can already run single thread. Wait, this is already. Okay, no, this is wrong. So run single thread. Okay, this should be fine. This is not fine yet. So, because I need to do the other guy. Like I said, matching. Okay, so, yeah, I cannot do that because delete T. What the fuck is T? T is the thread. Yeah. So there are things. Okay, this is just calling free, which I like. I have no idea what this guy is doing. I know it's a destructor of some kind. I guess it's fine. Just a bunch of no, I cannot just patch this in. Okay. That's true. Whatever. This guy, okay. Need to join the others. Git commit script object instance single thread. So can do the remove from local region. So is the local region in the proper place? That's what I'd like to know. Yep, thread. What the fuck? It seems like it is, I guess. This guy, this guy. Hey, it is. Okay. So then it's removed from local. What? So remove from local thread pointer, and then we pass a region pointer. Doesn't matter, we pass there, and then we need a VM thread pointer. Right, this is what we need to do. So remove local thread pointer, remove from local thread. Yeah, then return. No, I don't need to remove from local thread. This zero thread, and this should just work. Initialization of function. Remove from local thread. The fuck are you? Cast. I guess this way it will work. Initialization of a function. Oh, yeah. My bad. So, whatever. Cool things. Remove stub region. Remove local thread. Local thread. There are like mutual pointers. That's basically what's going on. Not a crazy thing to see. Kill thread. Do kill thread then. Script callback. Script callback. Pointer. Okay. Okay, so script. This is the kill thread. Executable. What the heck? Okay, that's the two functions. Yeah, okay. Nothing too insane there. Kill thread. Get instance. So thread get instance script object instance. It's this, and the executable it's equal to that. There's another crazy check. What's this? Yeah? So kill thread does not return anything, and I guess that changes a lot of stuff. There's 3 checks, okay, but I only see 2, which is kind of crazy, but that's fine. Yeah. Then deletes T, nukes it basically. Pow. Then you call erase on it. TI. The fuck is TI? Oh, else just increase the pointer. Beautiful. Alrighty. So let's just take the kill thread. Script object kill thread. Right. Over here. Great. This goes here, this goes there, this goes there. And okay, let's just put this around here, or else I'm getting angry. Yeah, I know that this might have some issues, so kill thread already has a body. It does. I doubt it. Yeah, I was right to doubt it. So Yeah, the problem is VM thread. Okay. I need to fuck. Okay. One more is done. VM thread. Because yeah, VM thread's a little weird. Um yeah, kill thread. Spider Jesus. Have you ever thought about looking at any the GBA games? I had a couple GBA games, the movie games, but I don't really care about that. Yeah, that's just it. Hopefully that answers your question. This is the function. Okay, so E6, and then it does this crazy thing, and it does V6 different, then A3. Ah, and A3 script object is. Wait a moment. VM thread. Interesting. So I just need to be sure. The kill thread does contain a VM thread. And so it's const VM thread. That's cool. And then I do const VM thread thr, and it's t. I don't know why that's a thing, but yeah. Yeah. Kill thread function does not take one parameter. What? 527. VM thread. Ugh. Okay. What is this huge ass function though? What? Alrighty. Yeah, so okay. Voila. That was crazy. I gotta admit. And yeah. Do, 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 do. Okay. E6. Okay, this is really good news. So before I move on, let's just do this. Take this guy. So kill thread. And I need to undo this sadly. And now here. This guy goes here. So this is good news. Now it's time to kill thread. And I need to fix something. Oh yeah. So this thread get instance and get executable. I need to address both of them, right? So VM thread get instance. So inst VM thread. And that's true. So that's inst. That's for, and then that's executable. This should just be. This should just build without problems. Perfect stuff. So GitHub commit validation more VM thread fields. So now I can actually add this to fields to these VM threads right here, right here. Forgot which one is which. Script object instance. Yeah, like they are kind of interdependent. These things, so it becomes a little trickier. Like they are self-referential, which makes it. Alrighty-o. So now I still have at least one method to do, which is the, where is it? Which is this one, the run. Okay, whatever. This guy has two parameters actually. So run. H. Wait a moment. So script object instance and bool. I have no idea what the ignore suspended. As always, it's the ignore suspended. Ignore suspended. Yeah, skip the debugger stuff. What the heck? Okay, I'll just copy the code. I guess the code is fine, but it should go here. Yeah. So, yeah. Oh my god. Great. What the hell? Okay, this guy. Ah, I see. Now I can see where it belongs to. Jesus Christ. If ignore suspended. Yeah. Yeah, I can leave those things there. I don't really care about them. And I guess this is done now. So Toby. Oh well. Okay, so run. This guy. Yeah, looks really good. Yep. Alrighty. So what I need to do is okay, and then okay. Yep. Okay. I'm not going to touch it. Okay. Script object instance run. So is there any one of these functions left to do or not? Script object. Thread exists. Add thread. Clear callback references. So do I have any to do on this file now? That's basically yes. And yeah, okay. This is really good news. This is good progress. Oh wait, I closed the X window. Okay, silly me, silly me. I need to do a copy. Let's run the game before I go. Okay, just making a little progress. Thread exists. Done. Okay. Oh, there's no difference because I already tested this on. Yeah. No, there's something that feels good about having everything validated. Kind of crazy to think about it. It's, yeah. There's this part of the game that is working as expected. Oh, much better. If I do a kick, it just instantly tosses stuff. But yeah, okay. I can go back to main menu. The game doesn't crash or does anything stupid. So, yeah. Oh my god, many comments. He did think that I'm trying to play through them all. My evidence. I have a lot of scenes. Those games are. Okay, sorry, I was not paying attention to chat, but yeah, it's cool. Yeah, I've played some of them. Like I played all the movie games, but especially on the Nintendo DS, which is kind of weird to say this, but yeah. What do I have to say? Yeah, just do what you want and what you like, man. Seriously. Good to know that you feel inspired by other people's work. Yeah. You know, the most important thing about doing stuff is, just do it. And yeah. So, validation is done. Yeah, okay, what I can do now is git touch. I added a new file. Yeah, okay, all good. Git push. And done. So So here is my repository. Come on, man. Why is it so weird? Okay. She'll finish super quickly. Okay. I'll need to wait a couple more seconds. But in the meantime, let's review this. Yeah, today was a lot of stuff done. I'm quite happy with this. A lot of stuff done. Namely validation, which is cool. And I'm so excited to remove this in the future. Thread. Oh yeah, I deleted a 900 line function. Yeah, sadly that's how it is sometimes. Yeah, DSP, that's fine. It's not, doesn't matter. Yep, cool to know. But now this, and yeah, it's green. If anyone wants to download it, it's here in summary. It's getting bigger. And it's been backed up. That's cool to know. Yeah, okay. So today, even though I streamed later, I made really good progress. I suppose that tomorrow I'll continue with the script object, or even maybe go into VM or region stuff. Whatever, anything. I just want to make consistent progress. That's it. But yeah, before I go, let me go back to my stream chat. Copy link. What the fuck, YouTube? Why are you like this? And yeah, here's the link to my website, to my latest blog post. You should all go there to learn more about it. Here it is. Thanks, bro. This is more motivation. What do you think about making yourself I don't know if making a game myself. But yeah, I appreciate the kind words, man. Yeah, it's already late, so I think I'm legitimately just going straight to bed. And yeah, have a nice one and see you on the next one.